Police are searching tonight for a man who stole 2 guns and a badge from a Fort Smith police officer. Thank you for joining us. I'm Nate Custer.
And I'm Jennifer Pignate. Last Friday, the suspect was seen lurking near an officer's personal car at a hotel parking lot across the street from FSPD. The suspect took a police-issued AR-15 rifle and a 9mm handgun. Police say they are looking for a white or Hispanic male, but any help from witnesses is appreciated.
Of course, we are looking for any known, anybody who may know something that may have been in that parking lot that night, that may have seen something.
If you have any information, you are urged to call the Fort Smith Police Department or Crime Stoppers.